How to pause or delete your Doordash account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can pause or delete Doordash account. So without further delay, let's get started. Here you have to open up a browser. If you have the application, you could also do it through the application, but for now I will just open up a Google search for Doordash and head over to doordash.com. Tap on the three dot at the top right and make sure that the desktop side is selected from here. So once you land on this kind of interface, navigate to the menu bar on your left hand side, and from the menu available, head over to account option at the last. Again, on the account setting, tap on your account. Once you're under the account page, at the top there is a profile, and on next to that there is an option as manage account, so tap on manage account. Now here it says delete account, so tap on delete account. Now here you have to go through the three-step verification. A 6-digit code is sent to your mobile number. You have to first of all type the mobile number and then complete the verification. Once you're verified, confirm and tap on delete account one more time to finalize your request, and then your account will be deleted permanently. So that's it. That's how you can delete your Doordash account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.